Hey, food lovers! Today, I'm going to show you how to make a roast potato, bacon, and Marmite tray bake that's going to knock your socks off. This recipe is a game changer, and trust me, even if you think you don't like Marmite, you'll be converted by the end of this video. First off, let's talk about our star ingredients: potatoes, bacon, and Marmite. Roast potatoes are already amazing, right? Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. But when you add smoky bacon and the umami goodness of Marmite, you're elevating them to a whole new level. So, let's get started. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Grab a couple of large potatoes, peel them, and cut them into chunky pieces. You want them roughly the size of a golf ball. Throw them into a pot of boiling salted water and let them parboil for about 10 minutes. While the potatoes are bubbling away, it's time to prep the bacon. You'll need about 200 grams of streaky bacon. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. Now, here's where the magic happens: the Marmite. Love it or hate it, it's going to bring a savory depth to this dish that's just irresistible. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of Marmite with a dash of olive oil. This mixture will coat the potatoes and bacon, giving them that signature Marmite glaze. Drain the potatoes and let them steam dry for a minute. This is crucial for getting that crispy texture we all crave. Now, in a large baking tray, toss the potatoes with the Marmite mixture and the bacon pieces. Make sure everything is well coated. Add a few sprigs of rosemary and a sprinkle of sea salt to really bring out the flavors. Pop the tray into the preheated oven and roast for about 40 minutes. Give it a good shake halfway through to ensure everything cooks evenly. You'll know it's done when the potatoes are golden brown and the bacon is crispy. While that's roasting, let me share a little story with you. The first time I tried this recipe, I was skeptical. Marmite on potatoes, but one bite, and I was hooked. There's something so comforting about this dish. It's like a warm hug on a chilly day. Alright, time to check on our tray bake. Look at that. The potatoes are perfectly crispy, the bacon is golden, and the Marmite has caramelized into this rich, sticky glaze. Absolutely mouth-watering. Serve this up with a simple green salad or some steamed veggies, and you've got yourself a hearty, delicious meal that's sure to impress. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Happy cooking, everyone.